D&H Sesharon Electrodes Private Limited proudly participated in the 6th International Congress, IC 2024. Organized by the Indian Institute of Welding, IIW, reaffirming our commitment to research and development. Our esteemed Technical Director, Dr. T.J.P. Rao and Mr. Satyendra Singh Patel, Manager R&D, showcased our dedication to advancing the industry by presenting two groundbreaking technical papers at the event. But our involvement didn't stop there. At this prestigious gathering, we took the opportunity to recognize and empower the next generation of engineers through the D&H Sesharon Electrodes Young Engineers Competition 2023. We were thrilled to present various awards, complete with prize money, to the talented winners. These awards were personally handed over by our Assistant Vice President, Arnav Maheshwari. This collaboration not only reinforces our commitment to excellence but also highlights our dedication to fostering innovation within the welding community. Thank you for being a part of our journey towards a future of endless possibilities in welding. D&H Sesharon Electrodes Private Limited, lighting the path to innovation.